You got this left hand here, okay? Jen said to move your left side, move over to the left side, and then move this back for me. There, do you feel that right there? Sam, I didn't have to work too hard, did I? Here and here, right? Bend that left knee, bring it forward right there. Good, you still got it right here? You see what I'm doing? Constantly saying here and here. What now, Jen? What's he gonna do right here?
Hold this position while you take 4 to 5 deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth.
Take a deep breath in for me. Blow out the air. Good. Now right here, pause. P-A-U-S-E. Breathe in. You should feel weight go through your left side. Blow out. You should feel weight transfer to the right side. Is that correct?
Barely.
Which side? Which one?
I don't feel my right much.
Oh, perfect. Stop. Stand up. Thanks for being here. Could you feel weight going to the left side when you took a breath of air in?
Yes.
Okay. Couldn't feel it on what? The right side.
Exhale.
What could he do to feel weight on the right side? This is what we're going to do, so be prepared. What could he do to feel weight on the right side? Come on, no, that's too easy. That's too easy. I don't see up here it says, so far I see left abs, left heel, right arch, but I don't see anything up here that's going to tell you what I'm going to do next. It's too easy. Why is he in this position? What's the title say?
Standing, supported, passive.
Circle the word supported, everybody. What? Whoa, whoa, we're close.
Josh.
You're on the wrong hand. Who said
Josh
it?
said it earlier.
Where's Josh at? Which Josh? Which Josh?
Push your left hand.
Josh, what did you say? That's what supported means. So everybody circle the word supported. And as soon as he pushes with his left hand, guess what he's going to feel, Nancy, on exhalation? The right arch. That was too easy. Right arch would be too easy. He can't feel his right arch. Why would you go to something he can't feel? That tells you he needs more inhibition from his right abs. To get the inhibition from his right abs, you push down with which hand? The left abs. Josh?
Is it getting a little careless, though, to think that if he had left abs in that scenario, then disengaging the left heel might have given him a right arch?
I would not disengage his left heel.
In the option, though, when you start bending the left knee, taking a little bit away from the referent of the left arch and making the abdominals more...
Possibly. I wouldn't disagree with you because I wouldn't know because everybody's going to be different. I do know this for a fact, though. Do you see what I'm saying? I'm not disagreeing with you, Josh. I love your thinking. But I know this for a fact. The minute he pushes down with those left abs, he's got to feel what? That right arch. Because when he goes down, this hip's going that way. This is coming down as he's shifting to his back. The only thing that could hold him up would be an ankle that didn't allow him to what? Evert.
Goes back to your rule on reference.
That's exactly right. You got
it's caudal and it's left side.
Bingo. And the thing is, it's not only following our rules, but it's also following what's in the title. The title says supported, Lydia. It says supported. Let's use it. Let's use that as much as we can to help him reference that. Okay? So let's try it again. You're doing a great job. Here we go. Let's do just what you did, okay? I'll let you do it all again. And thank you for being honest. Shift your hip back on the left. Bend your left knee a little more. And can I ask you a couple questions? Do you feel right now that this hip is higher than this hip?
With your hands there.
But you don't really feel it, do you?
No.
I'm going to do it again. Do you feel that this hip is higher than that hip?
Yeah.
Okay, now I did because you touched, you follow me? I'm tapping you. Do you feel that this hip is higher than the other hip?
That's more confusing.
Thank you. Write this word down. Tap. Because this is confusion. Right? Got you there, don't I? You don't have to do a thing. Who's got you right now?
You do.
Thank you. Write that down. Why would you want to take over the treatment?